Women need a structured and empowering approach to prioritizing themselves and their dreams. We know that as women, we tend to put ourselves last when we caretake for others. And we needed the guidance, like women need the guidance to write a clear vision that's really true to them and stay accountable to that vision, and as well as having an authentic community for vulnerable sharing and support. And the Raw Courage Coaching Program is the perfect program to set you up for success.
We've been so blessed to see you open up and flourish as women and as leaders and as just women who just wanted something more in their life. And as this program unfolded, congratulations.
We know that you've stepped into yourselves more and shed so many of those shoulds and given yourselves an opportunity to truly embrace your power, to own your voice, and to know what it feels like to be true to yourself and to watch all of your priorities unfold.
And I have to say that there comes a time in one's life where you begin to wonder, am I living up to my full potential? If I die today, looking back, would I be happy about the life that I lived? Well, I was at that point. So when I was presented with the opportunity, there was no way I was going to say no. So I said yes. A yes to me. And looking back, I can say that I have zero regrets. It's an amazing program.
It's been life-changing.
Moving in the right direction is the only thing we really want to do, because you can't change your whole life with one decision, but you can change the direction of your life with one decision. And that one decision moves you in the right direction, which is such a beautiful flow. You re-enter flow back into your life.
Lacking the confidence, doing stuff for others, not focusing on myself at all, not living my best life, just sort of blindly following an autopilot. This program was definitely the right fit. I am so grateful for my organization for pushing me into it, and really grateful to this program. It's been life transforming for me.
My goal was to help quiet all the extra noise and zone in on what is for me.
It's so refreshing to meet so many other smart women, and who also shared a lot of common things. As the more, when you went into these little breakouts, it's like, oh my gosh, I would like to spend more time with her and her and her, and just, it was like, wow, this is a great group of people.
This program helped me break through some of the things that I've been telling myself, and just really being okay with my journey.
It really is about focusing on yourself and trusting the process, and things will work out, because it really did.
Thanks to the program, the guidance from the coaching sessions we had. Also, my mentor, I had an amazing mentor who took me along the positive intelligence journey. I was able to focus, to take action, and to just get clarity into my priorities. I learned to silence the negative chatter. I learned not to listen to my saboteur. I learned to implement the micro steps.
I just want to say thank you to you, Kenya and Joanna, because honestly, like every time I get on a platform with the two of you, you guys have a way of, even though there's a bunch of faces on the screen, you have a way of speaking right to us. And there's this genuine desire for us to feel empowered and to feel what it is. Like you guys, like you're like, no, listen, you're amazing, you're beautiful. Like you guys have a way of it coming through on the screen. And I think that's why people continue to come to these programs. I wanted to learn more about me. I wanted to get out of this kind of middle gray area that I found myself in. And 110% this program helped me shift from the gray to the very black and white of loving who I am and being who I am, and being okay with that. So even if I didn't attend all the sessions, if I didn't fill out every line on the workbook, even if I haven't read every card, the mind shift, the how I think and see things has changed, and it has impacted my life tremendously.
The point is reaching for the stars. You realize what the potential is. You're moving forward. You're growing. You're putting yourself in that place. That's the most important. Shoot for the stars. You may land on the moon. You may only land on the mountaintop. It doesn't matter where you land, but it's just moving forward. You created a plan, and you didn't plan, by creating that plan, you're not planning to fail. You're planning to move and grow ahead. And that's what's the most powerful about this. And it just puts us all in a place of just like taking the reins of life rather than just letting it come at us and sometimes whack us around and pull us off course. And we know we can all get pulled off course as women. So this created that structure once a month for you to come here and remind yourself and focus on your goals, your dreams, your things that were important to you.